Imec board, Department of Imec Efficiency, Association 113. If we have new department of Imec Efficiency, savings, let's say $200 each Filipino times 1 million Filipinos, that's 200 million per month, times 12 is 2.4 billion savings between gross and net wage. If we add up then other miscellaneous like fees and the volume of ships within the ITF and Imec, which is instead of 10,000, sorry, let's double to 20 or 30,000 because fees really are discounted, let's say some 90%, then Imec would be really an association that would really have some kind of a stronger net and gross wage, and the board that would be obliged to report every month how much savings are we giving to the ship owners and seafarers. If this 2.4 can be caught 50% ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparently, every month we can know, okay, this month we have had a saving between gross and net wages and miscellaneous like fees and so on of every month 200 million, so that means that 100 will go for the pocket of seafarers and 100 will go for the pocket of ship owners. Why not? Isn't this our job to have perfect relations between the ship owners and the seafarers within Imec? And why not generate this Department of Imec Efficiency, which only has to really write the numbers? Thank you very much indeed for your vote. And even if I don't get elected because I'm not Greek or German or Japanese or Singaporean or Indian, like most of them vote for their own nationalities, like the popes for Augustines, Franciscans and Jesuits, same way. But please, I believe it's important that Imec does implement this statistical information every month. Thank you, bye.